Hello, welcome to the channel and welcome back to Resurwreck Autos HQ. So guys, today we are going to be looking at the Armytek Wizard C Pro with the Nichia LED light. This apparently, I've got another one of these. They've sent me one which was just the Wizard C2 Pro without the Nichia in it. And the Nichia is just that little symbol there. You see it, look. Very, very powerful light, and we're going to be looking into this today. I've got another one, like I said, another Wizard, and I use that daily. Every day I use that torch. It is great. Head torch. It's got a magnet. It's a really, really good little thing to have. Small enough to sort of put wherever you want, but still a very powerful little torch light. So yeah, we're going to be looking at this one today, and this one is going to be used as well as my other one on a daily basis around the shop. Great little torch. So yeah, let's get into it. We'll do an unboxing, see what's inside, and then we're going to do a little bit of testing and see how it performs. So yeah, let's do this. Right, okay, so guys, as you can see, this is the one I've been using for quite a long time now, and you can see it's getting absolute battered, but it still works perfectly. Great little torch light. I use it on a daily basis. So that's that one, and you can see that the slight difference is obviously it's the same Wizard C2 Pro, but this has got the Nichia, and that's got the different sort of it's just a headlight sort of multi flashlight, but this is apparently a little bit more brighter, so this is the upgraded version of this one. So yeah, and I'm sure I'm going to be using both of these around the workshop. Very easy to charge. I'll show you that in 1 second, but let's get into the box, show you what's inside, what you get. So it comes in a little box. Put that aside. Obviously the box has got some information about it as well. You just look at the information about what it can do. You'll see you've got a headway there. You've got on your vest, buckle, belt. It's got a magnet, so you can put it up against, like, that's what I do quite a lot, is put it up against sort of bits and pieces around the car. You can wear it like that, so as a headlight. So yeah, a very good system. The charging system is really good. I'll show you that in a second. You just sort of plug it onto the bottom and away it goes. Just let it charge. But yeah, very handy. Definitely a little handy tool to have. I've got, like I said, the other one. So the torch itself comes in a little pouch like this. And it's more, like I said, it's more or less the same. It's the same. It's the same setup, but obviously that front thing is, the actual LED part of it is slightly different. Apparently you can actually, it's so powerful and strong, this thing. Apparently, I haven't tested it, but apparently you can start fires with this torch. It's so bright. It's a very strong, powerful thing to have. So, but yeah, more or less the same size. Yep, more or less the same size. And it's just that more powerful LED. Wow, that is really powerful. That is going to be great around the workshop. So yeah, sorry, I'm looking at it as well. So that's your charging point there, which is in here. Let's have a look, see what else you get in here. So you get a head strap as well, and that just obviously, like, it's quite it's got a nice little thing. You just, I use my other one quite a lot. and it goes on like that. Twist it, and then that just flicks over, holds it in place like that while you wear it on your head, like so. And then you just obviously turn it on when you need it. And the good thing about it, you can turn it as well. So when you're wearing it on your head, you can actually turn the direction of where you want. Oh, sorry, I blinded you there. It's so powerful, this thing, so powerful. So yeah, so that's obviously the head setup there. You've got a bracket as well, which that attaches to the actual light itself. Got these rubber. I don't know what these rubber things are for. Oh, maybe there's a gasket inside that. Oh yeah, there is. Yeah. So this attaches. Yeah. That attaches to there like that, and then you can have it, and then you can hook it onto things. Yeah, so that's quite handy. I've not used the other one that I got from this one. I've not used it. It's probably still in that box. Never had a sort of opportunity to use it on like that, but this is the charger. So it's the USB charger straight into a USB plug. And then yeah, it's magnetic, and it's just magnetic like that. And what you do is you turn it very slightly like that. Turn it very slightly, and then it will start flashing on here, and letting you know that it's in the right charging position. And when it's charged, just undo it, turn it again, and away you go. But yeah, a very, very bright torch light this one is. Let me just see if I can. We'll have to do some tests when it's dark. Well, what I'll do is I'll turn the lights off in the workshop. Yeah, we'll do some tests in the workshop in a minute. But yeah, that is the torches. Get some instructions, obviously, you know, how to use it. There's different settings in this as well. So if you just press it like once, it'll just come on from a previous setting, and then press it, turn it off. Press it twice, goes into another setting, which is a little bit less. So it's like, you can see that it's not as powerful. And you just sort of keep your finger on it like this. Keep your finger on it, and it goes through the motions, it goes through the settings and what you want it on. So yeah, I think there's a flashing 1, 2, 3, 4. I'll have to look into this. This one it's got a slightly different setup when it comes to my other one. You could do certain things with it, and sort of settings and stuff. You just have to look into the instructions and see how it goes and go from there. But yeah, they're very, very good little torches. Like I said, this is my original one. I've had this for about maybe a year and a half, and it's still going strong. It still charges well with no problem at all. And yeah, a very, very strong. I'm always dropping it. As you can see, it gets dropped quite a bit, but it just, yeah, it's really strong. It's like, you know, really strong, made of metal and stuff. It's not plastic, it's a metal setup. This whole thing is metal setup, so it's a really, really good little torch that I use. So I'm looking forward to using this one now around the workshop, as well as that one. So now I've got the two torches that I can use. Probably could use them together as well. So I can use them, if I needed two torches to make it a bit more brighter, I could just use the two. They don't take long to charge. They take about an hour, hour and a half to charge, from complete nothing to 100% fully charged. So yeah, let's have a little test that in the dark. I'm gonna sort of get the lights all turned off. We'll have a little go at that, and then yeah, we'll go from there. But A very, very nice torch, guys. Like I said, I use that one all the time. I will leave a link in the description down below, and you can get a good discount on these torches for yourself. So let's have a look how bright they are now in the dark. Let's do this. Right, okay, guys, we're in the workshop, pitch black, but I want to show you, obviously, the difference between these two lights. So my original one is a white light, which is this one here. That's a white light, and this one is called a warm light. So it's a little bit, yeah, the color difference is a little bit different. You can see it there on the left. It's a little bit sort of, yeah, orangey, but on the right here is like, a brilliant white, which is fine. They both do the same sort of thing, really, but I just wanted to sort of do a comparisons. So this is my original one. And then this one is the new one with the niche fitted in it. So it's quite bright. I think they're probably on par, really, these two. They are the pro version. The only difference is obviously is the actual LED part of these two lights is slightly different. I think this one's on the left, the newer one. That's going to have a more sort of up-to-date version of the LED lights. But yeah, they're really, really bright lights. Like I said, I use them all over the workshop. Let's turn the lights back on. So I use these all over the workshop, and yeah, they're a great thing to have, and it's just really, really nice and handy to have another one compared to my original one. They're just really, really nice little torches to have, and it's just that LED section which is a very, very slightly different to this one. It's a different setup. You can see it there. So yeah, but there we go. Just a quick video, just showing you this one. Like I said, if you want to, grab yourself one of these, there's a discount as well at the minute. If you go to their website, put in the discount in the description below and the link. I am not getting paid for any of it, guys. This was an absolute freebie for me, and it's just a freebie to show the actual torch. So you guys can get a great deal, a discount deal on these torches. I've got a nice torch to use around the workshop, and Armytek is getting their torches out there for people to see. So yeah, a nice little setup and a very, very handy torch light as well. So that's going to be really, really nice to use around the workshop. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget, down below, description, there's your link. Thanks for watching. See you soon.